Hello, I'm Dr. Stauffer, Executive Director of the Berks Career Technology Center. My goal over the next few minutes is to share the many outstanding opportunities available to our students. These opportunities are made possible by the most passionate, dedicated, and caring staff I've ever had the pleasure of working with. Now please join me as we explore everything BCTC has to offer.
With 2 campuses, BCTC offers over 30 career programs taught by over 65 industry-experienced instructors, serving more than 2,000 high school students each year. Our programs are organized into 7 career clusters, including Business and Information Technology, Communications, Construction, Engineering and Manufacturing, Healthcare, Transportation, and Services. Many programs offer dual enrollment opportunities with local colleges, allowing students to earn college credits while still in high school. In addition, every program maintains articulation agreements with post-secondary institutions across the country, providing a seamless transition to higher education. Students also gain valuable real-world experience through internships and co-op placements with local business and industry leaders. Leadership and personal growth opportunities extend beyond the classroom through career and technical student organizations, CTSOs such as Skills USA, the National Technical Honor Society, HOSA, and the Pennsylvania Builders Association. BCTC isn't just for high school students. Our Adult and Continuing Education Division offers daytime and evening classes designed to fit any schedule. Programs include CDL training, apprenticeships, industry certifications, and more.
With over 30 distinguished career and technical education programs to our collaboration with NASA, manufacturing components for the International Space Station. BCTC is committed to providing a career and technical education experience second to none. With industry expert instructors, state-of-the-art facilities, and a staff deeply committed to student success, we deliver safe, high-quality instruction that prepares our students for both careers and higher education.